I'm Ifeanyi-Obiorah, Chidindu, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, 300 level. I'm in Faculty of Engineering, Department of Agric and Bioresources Engineering. Now, what made me to come to this department? We check about, this Faculty of Engineering, there are main departments: civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electronic, electrical. And you find out that agric engineering, it covers all the sectors. For example, you have the farm machineries, which talk about the mechanical part. Then we have the structures, we talk about the civil part. So you see, it turns that when an agric engineer graduates, he or she can work in any place. You have an opportunity, you have an edge over other departments. Okay, so what's my drive? What do I tend to do as an agric engineer after my studies in this school? Okay, the rate of food poisoning in this is on the increase. So I tend to create a very clean environment for the production of food. Thank you.